Hi, I'm Trudy with Metra. Today we're going to talk about our new complete ambient lighting kit. This 18-piece complete chasing ambient lighting kit includes everything installers need to transform the interior of any car from ordinary to extraordinary. The ambient LED lighting provided by this kit surpasses that of luxury cars on the market, and the chasing patterns create a fun sci-fi effect. This kit includes ambient LED lighting for the dash, footwells, door handles, door pockets, doors, all necessary extension cables, Y adapters, and an RF remote. Also included are 5 Heise Connect chasing controllers. These controllers can easily be grouped within the free downloadable Heise Connect app. One controller is installed in the dash and connects to the 2 dash strips and the 4 footwell lights. The remaining 4 controllers are installed within each of the vehicle's doors and connect to the door's LED strip, handle accent light, and pocket light. Using 5 controllers makes installation easier and faster than running multiple extension cables through the door. For more information, contact your Metra rep today.